Hey guys, it's James with Fourth Wall Reviews. I want to remind everybody content is not made for kids. And that if you like my content, like, comment, and subscribe. We break the fourth wall. We shatter it. I'm back with another birthday unboxing. You've seen a box like this before. It was shipped with DHL. Means it was shipped from overseas. I'm going to tell you now, this wrestling championship, if anybody wants to guess which wrestling championship, please leave it in the comments. Now, I did kind of pre-open this because I'd done this video a while ago, but technical complications or whatever occurred before I show everybody the belt. So I have opened the box itself. So let me get this out of package. You can kind of see what it is. The side plates might give it away, but let me get it out of the bubble wrap and tape, and we'll take a look at it. Oh, and one more thing before we look at the belt itself. It came with a belt hanger, which is a nice little addition I get with the other two replicas. Okay, let me get it out of the bubble wrap. Okay, guys. Starting down here, you see the leather strap. And the side plates. And the main plate. And the other side plates and the World Wrestling Federation logo. This is a WWF Winged Eagle Heavyweight Wrestling Championship belt that was purchased from Amazon. And I have to say, I'm pleased with it. This is the first Winged Eagle Championship for my collection. Much like the NWA Division and AWA Heavyweight Championship, I've never owned them before either. But I got this because of that right there. You will not find this belt with the Federation logo if you purchase it from WWE shop. So your best bet to get the Federation logo on the WWF Winged Eagle Championship, and for it to be accurate, is either get it from an overseas belt maker, which is what I did, or get it professionally made. This has been James with Fourth Wall Reviews. If you like the content and you like this belt, look at this belt. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. We don't only break the fourth wall, we shatter it. Here's one last look at the side plates. Also feature the Federation logo. The main plate, which features the Federation logo at the top. Side plates. And the snap box. And the Federation logo is featured on the belt tip. And before I go, to all overseas belt makers, please put the full belt tip on these belts. It's the second championship